hope you enjoyed our previous video at Milford Sound. The next day, we slowly drive to Glenochy. Glenochy is a beautiful small town an hour away from Queenstown. A must visit. After that, we head back to Queenstown, the busiest city in South Island of New Zealand, but still charming and unique. When you are in Queenstown, make sure not to miss the best burger of the entire Southern Hemisphere at Fergburger. Get the Codfather and the deluxe Fergburger. Thank me later. It's strange to say this, but the Wanaka lavender farm exceeded our expectations. A must visit in this region, rather than this Wanaka tree. There are so many more highlights around this region that I will show you in my future videos. See you!